Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. Today I want to show you some of our product. This is our product. This is control valve. Let's check the details first. We package it with the VC and anti-roster bags, and also in this part you can see there had a label on it. On the first line it's our Shumatt logos. Yes, Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us because we supply you this kind of customized services. We can help you design the logo, the label, in the packaging bag, and so on. Yes, this is the product code F00VC01361, and the application model number is the 0445110288. And this is a QR code on the one side, and I will open it to see the inside part, okay? The inside, and we have two types of our packaging bottles. Yep. Today I will introduce this one. When I open it, you can see we also package with the oil papers. In the inside, this is the whole side. Actually, we not only sealing the whole side, but also we sealing separate part. You can see the valve cap has a coating and also with the cover letters on it. The valve rod, we have different sizes, we have different lengths. Yep. And if you want other sizes, yes, actually we supply you the customized services. Please contact us, okay? That's all about the details about our product. Each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, please follow us and feel free to contact us. And for our product, we have the 6 months warranty. During this time, if you're not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and return it, exchange a new one for you. And for our control valve, I have the two tips I want to share with you. The first tip, clean it with oil. The second tips, if you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.